MUST-HALVES with innichkachef, and welcome to my kitchen. Today in the episode we are making frittata. Since our chicken start laying eggs, we have so many eggs. We've been waiting for a long 5 months when it's finally happening, right? So now we have so many eggs and we like to have once a while breakfast for dinner. Why not, right?
Yeah.
So today we are making frittata. To make this rustic, easy dish is Italian omelette, right? Usually I can throw to this omelette pretty much any leftover vegetable, like roasted vegetables. But today I have boiled sweet potato, and that's what I decide to throw to this omelette. Spinach, green onions, little bit of garlic, onion, cherry tomatoes, and eggs, of course, starts the dish, and a little bit of cream, olive oil, black pepper, red peppercorns, and salt. Pretty simple. So first of all, we need to saute onion. To start with onion, and meanwhile, onion and garlic, little bit of garlic. Thomas will work on potato. He knows how to peel potato, right? All right, while he's working on potato.
Mommy, you're gonna have some cheese?
Oh, cheese. You want cheese? I wasn't planning, but it's a good idea. Let's add some cheese. Egg cheese. And you're going to grate it, right? You're going to grate
Right now?
after you finish with potato. This is Manchego cheese. It's one of our favorite cheese in the house. It's made from sheep milk, and it's from Spain. We love this cheese. Half cup.
This one?
While Thomas working on his cheese, we can work on our onion. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, pinch of salt, and some pepper, and pinch of peppercorn.
No, I mean saltpeter.
I will use just 1 clove of garlic. Garlic is in. And the rest of the ingredients is pretty simple. The spinach is already ready to go. It's washed. It's pre-washed. And now we need 1 more potato. When can we make kielbasa? I think we got requests for next video, right? Sometimes in future we have to make kielbasa. So slice it for real. Okay. We need to slice the sweet potato in little cubes. And sweet potato can be boiled or baked. So while potato is ready, we need to work on eggs. Good job. Next thing we need to add is the spinach. And next thing we need to prep the eggs, right? Let's do it. That's his favorite thing to do. Prep the eggs. Add half cup of cheese, let's say. Cheese and eggs in. Now we need half cup of cream, heavy cream. Add, please. Whisk. Whisk, whisk, whisk. Pinch of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, and add tomato.
Take that out.
Yep. No, add. While he's whisking, we're using only green part of onions, and we add to the egg mixture. Now time to add potato to the pan. And the last thing what needs to be done, add to the pan. And now frittata ready for the oven. 15 minutes, 375 degrees. Testing, right? Are you ready to eat frittata?
Yeah, I want to cut.
You want cut? Okay, go ahead. But be careful, it's hot. And it's now the best time of the video to taste. You ready to taste? A lot of spinach. You like it? Yummy. So nice, rich. The cheese, I think, make all difference. I love Manchego cheese. It's so satisfying dish, for especially this time of the year. Either you choose to Either you choose to eat for breakfast or dinner. I'm sure you will like it. Even with a side of little green salad as a lunch would be wonderful. For full recipe, please check comments below. That's where I always link my recipe. And you may like if you like this recipe and subscribe. Yes?
Yep.
Bye. See you next time.
Bye.